In this video, I'm going to
How
show
you can
easily remove a Gmail account from an Android phone before they watch the video to the very
so
end.
you don't
make any mistakes. Let's get started,
And
guys.
the first
stuff you need to head over to
We
settings.
can
easily do so by tapping at settings
Up
icon on our home screen. Or if you cannot find it, you can just swipe down to show up the screen options. And that's where we can easily find gear
And
icon.
we can
tap at that icon to move on to the settings. Now guys, at
We
settings,
need to
scroll down all the way until we find accounts. For some reason, I cannot see it on my device. It is called accounts and backup actually. So here on my table is Samsung Galaxy S3. If you have Samsung device, it should call account and backup. And now here we need to get into manage accounts. And that's where we can easily find We've
accounts.
signed in on the device, not just the Gmail account. We can see here WhatsApp, Telegram, and some other accounts. However, at the very top, we can see to Gmail accounts. And let's say if you would like to remove one, we need just to tap on it, then hit at remove account, and then just stop right here to come the thermite. Keep in mind that it will not delete the account. It will just remove it from your device. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button